Here at Crest, we're committed to our local community, to helping them in as many ways as we can. Our community stores are packed with affordable electrical appliances, including washing machines, dryers, fridges, freezers and cookers, both new and pre-loved. And all at the most affordable prices. Every one of our pre-loved appliances is thoroughly tested, serviced and repaired by our team of engineers. Then meticulously cleaned before being displayed for sale in our community stores. Every single appliance we sell comes with a 12-month warranty. Our team will deliver your new appliance, and if you need us to, we'll take away your old machine free of charge. For a small fee, our technicians will even install and test your new appliance, making the whole process hassle-free from start to finish. What's more, you can be sure when you spend your money at Crest, you are investing in your own community. As a registered charity, we use every single penny of surplus funds to help others, as part of our wide range of local support and sustainability projects. Crest, big enough to deliver, small enough to care.